Going on there, guys? You know, Bearded here, bringing you tips, tricks, reviews, much more. If you'd like to find out more about the company I'm reviewing, stay tuned. Alright there, guys. So today I'm going to bring to you Gladiator beards. I did that unboxing probably a week or so ago now, but that's what their logo looks like. Really, really cool logo though, and it's not a sticker at all. It's all painted on or whatever, which is really, really nice. I somehow managed to lose one of my bombs though. But I wanted to ask all you guys, what song do you guys have stuck in your head right now?
Britney Spears!
What'd you say? Dude, this Gladiator beard stuff is great. Where'd you get it? Man, I've been looking for that bomb. Why the hell do you have it? Give me that shit back. And screw you. This fucking guy. So there's the one that he stole. What a dick. Don't ever get a roommate. The worst. Steal your shit. But anyways, so we'll go over the oil here real quick. So you got their icon scent. I don't know if you can see that there. But it comes in a 2-ounce bottle, whatever you want to call it. And their eyedropper. But for 2 ounces of this, run you about $20, which seems like a lot, but if you look at the cost per ounce, it's $10, so it's really not that bad. But as far as the scent goes, it's a real mild and clean scent. I threw away my packaging, so and I don't think it says anywhere on the bottle here. Oh, there it is. Contains 9 nutrient-rich oils to promote hair growth and benefit skin and hair health. So, as far as what the oils were though, I totally forgot. But it's super nice, clean scent. Did like whatever every other oil does, you know. Takes care of the hair. Didn't have any itch, so that was real nice. And then as far as the 3 bombs that I got here, we had their icon scent. Show you that. Show you the consistency there too. Real creamy in there. I love this stuff. I would say for the hold on that, it's probably say a solid medium hold. And I left my beard feeling real nice. So as far as all their bombs go, I would definitely check into those if you can. I think for their bombs, they're about $17.50, but you get 2.6 ounces, which is actually pretty good considering the cost. So can't beat that there. And then the other one here, you got the Gladiator beard butter now. So the icon scent, I think, is the only scent that comes in oil, balm, and butter. But I think they said they were working on the other 2 scents, which I can't wait. And then second scent that I had here was their Fearless. And that stuff was a citrusy scent, I would say. Yeah, definitely a citrusy scent. I would say mild, manly. I don't know how else to describe it though. But This would be another one that I would definitely check out though as well. All their scents were really good. I'd order all of them, or check them out at least. And then for their third scent here was their Conquer scent. See that there? But, so this one here, if I remember right, was like a sweet almond and vanilla. But it reminds me so much of like a really nice creamy custard type smell. This one here, the Conquer, if they come out with this and the butter and oil, this will be one that I instantly pick up. I love this scent. So, but yeah, for their oils, you can get them for under 20 bucks or right around $20. Their butters you can get for about, butter for about $15.50 for a 2 ounce, and then their bombs comes in the 2.6 ounce for $17.50, a little under $17.50, which is a really good, great price. And I think you can only find them on Amazon right now. So with that being said too, you get your free shipping if you're a Prime member. You can't beat that. But I definitely give these guys a thumb up. Again, they come out with that the Conquer scent and the butter and oil. I'm definitely buying those. Those will be added to my collection. But if you like this video, also please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're already here. If you're not new here, hit that subscribe button, and I'll post all the links in the description below. So, yeah. Till next time, guys. I'll see you then.